In a cozy living room, a sleek black cat named Milo crouched by a golden birdcage, his green eyes locked on a churchy yellow canary named Pip. Milo purrs, flicking his tail as he inches closer to the cage. Pip notices, hops closer to the bars, and smirks. With a sly grin, uses his beak to pop open the cage door. Pip darts out, leaving the cage swinging. Milo's paw just misses Pip, but his tail knocks over the bars. The vase falls and shatters on the floor with a loud crash. Pip perches on a high curtain rod, looking smug. Milo, determined, climbs up the curtain, claws sinking into the fabric. Milo lies tangled in the curtain on the floor. Pip gently lands on his head, puffing up his feathers proudly. The chase is never over.